Hi, this is Mickey at Harley Davidson, a Platinum Bar and Shield award-winning dealership in Marysville, Washington, with another fantastic Harley Davidson for your viewing pleasure. Today you're looking at 2017 Harley Davidson Street 750. This model comes in Velocity Red Sunglo, and it features your liquid cooled Revolution X engine. Got blacked out engine and highlighted fins. Get your slightly forward mid-mounted controls. Your narrow and lean chassis. Features your all black exhaust system, 6-speed transmission, LED tail light, bullet style turn signals, low profile license plate. So get this nice one-piece 2-up seat. This cool looking Tank Medallion as well. This model comes in what we call Velocity Red Sunglo. Also features your black pullback handlebar, your black cafe style speed screen, and your narrow front wheel, which is like a 7-spoke black wheel with silver pinstriping on it. Beautiful bike, ladies and gentlemen. 2017 Harley Davidson Street 750 in Velocity Red Sunglo. As always, we offer great financing. For more information on this model or any other Harley Davidson model, you can see us at